this is a pulley connected to cylinder B of 40 kg and cylinder A of 20 kg at radius of 0.3 and 0.5 meter respectively. Here weight of pulley is 100 kg and radius of gyration of the pulley is 0.4 meter. We need to find angular acceleration of the pulley and linear acceleration of cylinder A and linear acceleration of cylinder B. Linear acceleration of cylinder A is radius into R into angular acceleration, and linear acceleration of cylinder B is equal to radius of revolution of cylinder B into angular acceleration is equal to 0.5 into alpha. Here linear acceleration of B is equal to 0.3 into alpha. Now the free body diagram of cylinder A. Since A is lesser than B, it moves upward. This is the tension of the string, and since cylinder A moves upward, inertia force act downward and weight act downward 20 kg. Now TA is equal to 20 into 9.81 plus mass into acceleration is equal to 196.2 plus mass is 20 into linear acceleration. Here linear acceleration is 0.5 into alpha is equal to 196.2 plus 10 into alpha TA. Now free body diagram of cylinder B. The weight of the cylinder B will act downward 40 kg. Since the cylinder B move downward, inertia force will act upward. Mass into linear acceleration, and TB is the tension in the string. Therefore TB can be written as TB plus M into A into B is equal to 40 kg, 40 into 9.81. Therefore TB is equal to 392.4 minus M into A, go to the right, 40 into linear acceleration of cylinder B can be written as 0.3, 3 into angular acceleration alpha. Further can be written as 392.4 minus 12 alpha. We know the torque, net torque in the pulley, torque net, can be written as inertia of the pulley into angular acceleration of the pulley. Here net torque can be written as TB into 0.3 minus TA into 0.5 is equal to I. Inertia of the pulley is M into radius of gyration, or P the whole square into alpha. Therefore TB is 392.4 minus 12 alpha into 0.3 minus TA is 196.2, this equation, plus 10 into alpha into 0.5 is equal to m. Here m is 100 kg mass of pulley. 100 into radius of gyration of the pulley is 0.4 the whole square into alpha. Solving gives 117.72, bringing this pointer inside, minus 3.6 alpha, minus multiplying this 0.5 inside 98.1 minus 5 alpha is equal to 16 alpha. Further, this can be written as 19.62 minus 8.6 alpha is equal to 16 alpha. Therefore, 19.62 is equal to 24.6 alpha. Therefore, alpha is equal to 19.62 divided by 24.6 is equal to 0.797 radians per second square. This is the angular acceleration of the pulley. Now, since alpha is known, linear acceleration of block cylinder A can be written as A is equal to 0.5 into alpha is equal to 0.5 into 0.797. Therefore, linear acceleration of cylinder A is equal to 0.398 meter per second square, and linear acceleration of cylinder B is equal to 0.3 into alpha is equal to 0.3 into 0.797 is equal to 0.2391 meter per second square. Thank you. If you like this knowledge sharing, please subscribe to our further technical discussion.